I do
a sting in my tail.
Someone who's not feeling quite as venomous as
I
the usual
can
customer
load
service advisor, Adam Chapman.
down
Thoroughly enjoying this week.
Yours,
It's
I
just
can
so
load
far these last few
down
rides.
where, Mummy?
Really?
Yeah.
Any reflection on the
And the other
personality
part is sound as well.
amazing
Beep,
rides,
beep,
it's
beep.
fantastic.
Fingers crossed, but now Ken makes a start
Mummy?
on her dessert.
I'm
A
putting on the
chocolate
wall.
from
Now the
Jigs.
borders is
I
out,
know what that's
Mummy.
going to be. That's going to be served in a teapot, and it's going to be a chocolate dessert.
Oh, there's no fooling you.
Mummy,
Ken
the
starts by
borders
dumping a
are
shed load of
Christmas.
caster sugar into a bowl.
14, 15, 16. Some more.
That's because it is.
I've tried sugar.
Mommy,
Look.
the wall will get flat, Mommy.
Oh.
Here, and I'm going to try casting sugar.
Casting sugar.
I've not tried that.
Here you go, wall flat.
Well, good luck with
Now
that.
I can
She adds cocoa powder, cinnamon and whipping cream. And before whisking,
stand
dissolves
it
gelatin
in
in
the
hot
dump
water.
truck, Mommy.
I hope my guests like chocolate mousse the best do. Look at all this grafting I'm doing.
Where did you find the sand?
I did find it last night, Mommy.
Last night.
Like molten chocolate. Chocolate.
You were asking me to buy you more sand not long
Good,
ago.
positive thinking.
Here's my Irish trimmer.
Oh, here we go.
Did you hide it in one of your toys?
Yeah.
What? Which toys?
In the box.
Really?
Yeah.
There's no
I
going
missed
back
that
now.
one then.
Oh no, I don't think that's going to happen. I've never
He's
seen
driving, Mommy. He's
Where is he
already
going?
Lumpy gelatin into her
taking
chocolate
that
mix.
sand. Because he's right to take that.
Back to the beach?
Yeah.
It's nice.
You sure about that?
Beep,
That will take a long, long time.
beep, beep, beep,
Apart from the lumpy gelatin.
beep.
It tastes alright.
Look,
That remains to be seen.
eat your dinner now.
What?
Eat your dinner.
The highest forms of
I
social
thought you were gonna eat your dinner.
Mommy,
Come on, eat your dinner first. Can you tell me what they are, Luke?
there are construction vehicles.
Tell me which one is the digger.
That.
Which one is the road roller.
Seasons adds the simmered milk, some
And which one is the bulldozer.
That.
You sure?
Yeah.
What about the other one?
And that one is a...
It's turned
I
into
don't know that.
pieces.
I think that's the bulldozer.
I'm really upset.
And the same bulldozers.
That's probably a loader.
Peas, frozen garlic.
Are you sure? Don't think so.
And say... And say which one is a wrecking ball crane.
What?
Say which one is a wrecking ball crane.
Wrecking ball crane?
Yeah.
with her pea puree
Whoa.
dough, she wraps her scallops
That
in
one's a
pancake
wrecking
and
ball
will
crane.
cook tonight. Next,
And
on with the
you
menu.
have
Chicken souvlaki,
cones?
with tzatziki and Mediterranean
Yeah.
vegetables.
Where's the
And Slovak.
the other one?
I think that's from Russia or
What?
Middle
That
East.
one.
No,
It's Greek, actually.
the one
She
that
starts
looks
with a
like a
marinade for
triangle.
chicken,
No,
crushing
it's
garlic, then adding
rectangle
olive oil and lemon juice.
I've got no idea what
with the
she's not.
stripes.
I doubt anyone has.
Oh, what the else?
It would have been
So, I am on.
Here we go, Mommy.
You need to wear your safety hat though, because you are doing some construction building.
Mommy, where is my hat?
Where's your hat? Hands.
Yeah, it is. I need my own hat.
into Kim's garden. He loves it.
Good.
My new hat is
Now
ready
you're ready.
to do that.
Right, how do you do it?
First, Mommy, you use a car right there, Mommy. And first, Mommy,
Hmm?
you roll the arm down to the exploder.
Okay.
To the car.
Okay.
Train wheels. Like a train.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Seems all right, though.
Mommy,
Be careful. Mind that step. Steady.
Mommy, let's see how much you got.
Well done.
You know, it can.
Coming up. Sharing
It's a
secrets.
car right there.
Okay.
Okay, mommy. Ready, steady, go.
Ooh,
I show you it's working.
it is.
It's really small with a heavy car.
It is.
It can get heavy trees and not a heavy cars.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my!
Sometimes Bobby okay.
Oh dear! The driver fell. That's a long way down.
That's very
I think he needs the ambulance.
He's Bobby okay.
Ambulance is in the box.
Mommy, he's Bobby okay.
Oh no, he's not okay.
Yeah.
He fell off.
Sell eBay to make extra money. I sell eBay.
Okay, he's okay now.
A dish or a Big Mac on your bedroom floor.
You need to be careful.
We deliver.
Oh, yeah.
You know why? Why he fell?
Mommy, yes.
Because the crane is very close to him. You need to move the crane a little bit forward.
No matter the cause.
See? It's very close to him. You can move the crane a little bit like this, oh?
Press it down.
A little bit forward.
Swapping your salon wax for a cheaper option. Good swap.
Not the whole crane. You turn the knob, the big knob, the gray one. Turn it. No, the one. Move the crane forward.
Okay.
On the side?
You know the one with the circle, the gray circle.
Ah,
Check it. The gray circle near the driver.
Mommy, he's really busy.
Oh my.
He's really very busy.
That's the black one again.
He get very
That's the
dizzy.
other one again. Now go forward. That's the big one. Look at the knob beside it.
The one beside it. The gray one, there, near your hand. Do you see the circle? Find a circle, gray with black. Black and gray circle. Did you find a gray and black circle?
Yeah.
On the top. Where your hand? Where? No. This way. Move your hand this way. Up. Up. Up your hand.
Up. He's like,
Look in front of you. In front of you on the crane. There's a circle. Can you find me a shape that is round? Look. Can you find me a shape that is round?
okay, Mommy.
No, on the crane.
Okay.
See?
Golden sand and Mr. Young
Forget that one.
more sand.
Yeah. You forgot that one.
Look after everything here. Please don't urinate in any of my nice drinking glasses. Get a boyfriend, Meg. Go outside.
When you meet some higher level yourself up, right? Pixel Series 2 starts Tuesday at 10 on E4.
Look, do you wanna eat your dinner now?
Mommy, no.
Seriously?
He's ready to take that, Mommy.
It's night 3 at the competition, Derby. Welcome to my game. And host Kim Nichols is banking on a night of fun and games to land her
Mommy?
hand. And while she finishes off her supper,
Mommy,
a couple of the guests go for a bit round upstairs.
push that, Mommy.
I can't work them out. Is it?
I think that's football.
I didn't have her down as a footballer. Which one is she?
Go to bed, everything.
No.
It's getting. It's getting late though. I need to go to sleep soon. What is that for? When you finish eating, then we get ready for bed. Okay?
No.
Yes.
No.
The moon is out.
No, no, no.
The sun is gone.
No, no, no.
Minnie, it's night time.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, no.